In this video, I'll show you how to install the real life mod in GTA San Andreas to make the game more realistic. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the required files and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. No stuff here, right click on the game and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder. Copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Open the required files. Drag and drop all these files inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination and then go back. Open the Clio 4. Drag and drop all these files except the SDK and README inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination and then go back. Open the .exe. Drag and drop this exe inside of the game folder and then go back. Open the visual. Open graphics mods. Select all these files, drag and drop inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, go back, open the bonus mods, drag and drop this mod loader inside of a game folder. Then go back, open the core pack. In the game folder, open the mod loader. Right click and select new and select folder. Name it as vehicle pack. Once you're done, drag and drop all these files inside the vehicle pack. Once you've done this, go back to the GTA San Andreas folder. Go back in mods, open RSL trainer, drag and drop this Clio inside the game folder. Now find the 14,000 KB game. Right click and select show more options. Send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through the newly created shortcut. You need to wait for 3 minutes to launch game. I will show you guys before and after graphics comparison. And now I show you guys how to use the trainer. Press the F2 to open the trainer. Use the up arrow and down arrow to choose options. Press enter to select options. To go back, press the backspace key in the keyboard. Now I show you guys how to spawn cars. Go to vehicle options, vehicle spawning, cars. Choose the car you like. Once you choose the car, press the F2 to close this menu and you can drive the car instantly, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.